conditioned to this power they've given them and them turning around and using it on you. All you got to do is withdraw your consent, and now they've got no legal or lawful authority to do that to you and on you. And if they do, they lose their cloak of immunity and protection, and they become personally liable for their actions because they're acting outside of their delegated responsibilities. All of these administrative agencies, this whole system is geared, all the laws and all the regulations are written for citizens of the United States and residents. And if you're not one of those, they got nothing on you. Nothing.
Okay.
So all you got to do is tell the right person you're not one of those anymore. They can't say no. It's not their decision. If they say no, they're open tyrants. It's your decision. You decide which system of law you want to live under, not them.
And you got to use the right language, right? And that's what we don't use. And that's what I think.
Okay. Back with another short video, just I always say that, but it'd be like 10 minutes, but I just want to show y'all something. Listen, y'all seen what I put in the beginning of the video, or the end, however it play out. But my point is this, check out this brother channel, man. His name, what is his name? I'm gonna show y'all at the end, but what I want to point out is, check out his do not detain list videos.
When the police ask you for your address and you give it to them, they gain jurisdiction. If they got your 5-digit zip code, they gain jurisdiction. If you make any form of contracts with the state, they got jurisdiction over you. So you got to understand how to pull yourself out of it. If you got a driver's license, like I said before, surrender it. Business licenses, if that connects you to an artificial address and you say this is your place of residence, you also subject to that jurisdiction. Privileges and benefits, also subject to the jurisdiction. If you receiving any money in child support, subject to the jurisdiction. What's up, everybody? Now look, check this out. Now I'm gonna teach you guys how to get out of all obligations with your car note. I'm gonna show you how to discharge the car note off your credit and not have to, keep up with all them damn payments, right?
So this is this fool's sovereign citizen internet guru. Now, I've done a number of videos on this jackass. I have a playlist dedicated to him, so you guys can go and check it out. He's all about a do not detain list and a discharge that, a bunch of sovereign citizen nonsense. So this is one of the people this guy is learning all of this nonsense from. And in this video, he's going to try and showcase the videos that this man has on his channel. And pretty much he's explaining that this dude is the reason he went down this sovereign citizen rabbit hole.
Also, he put his do not detain list on YouTube. It's real. He also talked about a lot of other stuff, how to get credit and all this other stuff. But my thing is, we have to understand that jurisdiction, it comes from being a resident.
You outside of that jurisdiction. Don't go to court and challenge jurisdiction. Learn how to get out their jurisdiction. Just learn how to remove yourself from the jurisdiction. Then you can start doing everything as far as like exercising your rights. And the reason why you have to do that, because that take you out of territorial jurisdiction from the state.
Now, me personally, every time I get in contact with the police, nothing happened. I said, do not challenge jurisdiction, get out of it.
Under acts subjecting persons to jurisdiction, they get them personal and territorial jurisdiction over you. You have to get out these people's jurisdiction by all means. Jurisdictions start originally when the police come in contact with you. That's when jurisdiction starts. What get them jurisdiction is the contractual waiver. Where do you live? This is how jurisdiction works. Once you first get encountered with an officer and they get jurisdiction over you, like get you to admit to an address, get you to admit to your social security number, what they then do is they bond over the case. I might be on the do not detain list. Read the state statute that you live in that talks about jurisdiction. And jurisdiction is on a contractual basis. So if you have contract within the state, they gain jurisdiction. Because one mess up can get me into jurisdiction. And if it get me into jurisdiction, I gotta find a way out. But you just can't be subjecting yourself to it. Please don't subject yourself to jurisdiction, y'all. Like, be smart, be wise.
So we now see one of the places this idiot learns all of this nonsense. I just can't believe that there are people out here this gullible that'll just run across a random guy's YouTube channel and just fall for everything he's saying wholeheartedly, just believe it all, and then go out and practice it in their own lives, and then start the process of ruining their lives. It just doesn't make any sense at all.
It comes from being a U.S. citizen. I don't want to get too deep in it. I kind of do, but I don't. Because there's always stuff that I miss out, and I'm like, I should have said this. I should have said that. So, also, I just saw these little things. Let me see who I sent this one to. All right, so when I say people getting it misconstrued, like my trust, I only sent that to, like, you feel me, the police, the sheriffs, the state troopers. That way, when they trying to arrest me or trying to steal my property, I got my affidavit on file, I got my trust on file, everything. So when I go back to the court, they know I'm not, no, they not finna, y'all know what I'm doing. But like stuff like this just a certified return receipt. It don't return to no address, so I can show y'all everything. But I sent it to the state, the Secretary of State, Nebraska Secretary of State, and a couple of other places. Like for your affidavit to get your status changed, you don't send that to the police station, or you send it to the Department of State where you got your passport, the Secretary of State, and it's another one. But yeah, get your status changed. Do not use an address under any circumstances. Go watch this brother video, bro. Go check out his channel. This is a good dude right here. Yeah, I don't never comment on his channel or nothing, but I'm one of his biggest fans. This is a good brother right here to learn from. You feel me? And the stuff he's saying is stuff that I was reading in jail. I had the Rick Martin packet in jail with me. I had some dude, I think he used to work for the IRS or something. This dude was like talking about taxes, but the whole time he telling you like, look, they taxing you because you a citizen. I mean, not because you a citizen, because you a resident and you a U.S. citizen. Like, I've been reading this shit. At first, I just ain't take notice. Like last year, you feel me? I got my address. I'm showing my house on YouTube. I'm doing everything. Just flamboyant. All the Constitution got me. Woo. Man, whole time, man. If you a servant, a U.S. citizen, you claim to be a U.S. citizen, you claim to be a resident, you can't. They confiscated that.
Excuse me, sir, but what in the doohickey are you talking about?
The government confiscated that terminology, so don't use it and don't affiliate with it. You ain't a resident, you ain't a U.S. citizen. Yeah, man. Stay free. And man, I want to say more, but like that. What else do I want to say before I get off the video? Man, check out this dude channel. He just made a new video 18 hours ago. This, bro. And then I really want y'all to check out, bro. Check out. He snapped. Where is that video? Where is that video? It's something about like avoid getting arrested, man. Listen, get them people an address, you're done. I had to learn the hard way. Every time they put a warrant out for me or, you know, want to arrest me, they got that address on file. On this YouTube channel. Check out this brother YouTube channel, man. How to avoid their jurisdiction or whatever. All his videos, he got a lot of videos, especially the sovereignty ones. That's the ones I like. I don't really care about all the credit and all that because I just, you feel me? But the way he doing it, he just put out a video yesterday, man, 138,000 in credit, and he can't go to jail, and he a felon. He used the EIN number as his social security number so he can get like any type of apartment, which I'm not worried about that. I'm, you feel me? But just, man, that's something that's good to know. You feel me? Because I was always worried, like, damn, if this happened, if that happened, I'm fucked, I'm this, I'm that. But man, bro out here proving it. He been to trial, federal court with a gun, firearm as a felon, beat it. Felon, living in nice places. Felon, $138,000 in credit. Brand new car he got for free. Like, still taking care of his family. Man, look. You know, he a good dude to learn from. My point is though, man, we gotta learn. Right to travel failed. That was me a year ago. But it ain't gonna be me no more. That was me a year ago. Man. Stay free. I'll be back, man. I'll update y'all soon. One thing I wanted to I'll update y'all soon. Talk to you later.